Giselle. Hi, Hatatoposit.
Hi. Well, so let me ask you here, what are you doing? Why are all of Hatatoposit's hat in the water? Why Hatatoposit?
Well, Giselle, I'm trying to figure out which hat is the biggest with Phil.
Yeah, and I told Hatatoposit that you can find out what hat's the biggest by seeing how much water each hat holds.
Oh,
You see,
cool.
this little brown hat here holds about that much water.
Right.
But I bet if we poured some in here, I bet this blue hat might hold more. Let's find out. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 whole brown hats go into this one blue hat.
Wow.
That means